Good night. My name is Lady Tatiana Barrios. I am 33 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Tuna. My hobby is play basketball. I live with me, two children, and my husband. I am a student of industrial engineering. I like to dance. My family is made up of my husband and me two children, a girl and a boy. The four of us are from Grabando, the beautiful city. My daughter is 16 years old. My boy is 11 years old and my husband is 34 years old. My husband works as a police officer. He has been in this for 16 years. He has green eyes, is deaf, tall, and light hair. He a lot like my son. My two children are still in school. She has 11th grade and he is in 6th grade. She looks a lot like my in brown skin and look here, but she is taller than me. We are a very close family. I'm happy. Thank you.